Hello everyone, welcome back to Rupesh City YouTube channel. Today let's go and make day 21st video of the tutorial challenge of English presentation skills. Today's day title 21. Sorry for that mistake. Let's go to the scene. I have completed all the things of today's one. Happy Independence Day to all of you. If you are watching today, August 2024. Let's go to the scene and I will show you what I have taught. Inheritance part 2 and Z6 and second coding practice on inheritance. Pattern standard library, random choice. I will show you. King max min and some basic one. Collection random data max minimum earlier. Man dot factor, man dot py. Arrays naming of this max, bringing only particular necessary function from the package. You can arrays name for this one. Importing random. Use of map filter and edges. Square and numbers. Use of map of print of input or spread. Filter. Use positive number list here. Regis just adds his number using sum of numbers. A bit 1 plus 2, 2 plus 3, 3 plus 4. Let's go. And then content object data about combinations. Giving combination statement and practice set on net. Execute out of 15. And in English, thought about past simple future. And practice 3 sets, 2 assessment and 1 assignment. Two practice set and 1 assessment. Check to done by 50. Here 12 by 15. Here 9 by 10. And that's it for this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel with your friends so that everyone knows my channel. I want you all to subscribe my channel and give me motivation to do this sort of